Customer journey maps and value streams have become essential tools that organizations are using to prioritize their digital transformation efforts. Both are part of the Scaled Agile Framework, otherwise called SAFe. In this video, we're going to take a look at customer journey maps, which are part of design thinking in the essential configuration of SAFe. In another video, we'll take a look at value streams, which are part of a fuller portfolio configuration of SAFe. Here we see a typical customer journey map for a customer evaluating an energy monitoring application that our fictitious company makes. We have steps that the customer takes in different channels. The vertical swim lanes are channels which are familiar to marketing people and could be things like searching for something on the internet, seeing a billboard along the side of the road, visiting a store, or in our case, navigating our fictitious company's website and then downloading the product onto their computer and trying it. We'll take a look at steps in a second, but then also for a customer journey map, you're tracking the journey for a prototypical customer, which is called a persona. In System Architect, you specify the persona for every customer journey map in diagram properties. A persona is a make-believe customer that you provide details for, even a name, a short skinny on their life and their competency, their needs, and then even a picture. By putting yourselves in this make-believe customer's shoes, you see the issues they run into when trying to buy your product or be serviced by your organization. For example, when the U.S. government examines their website, digital.gov, for customer experience, they do so through the use of personas that they publish on their website. You can view these personas on digital.gov at the URL below. In our fictitious example, Rich is looking for an application that will tell him exactly how much it costs per hour when leaving a light bulb on in his house. So he can encourage his kids to turn the lights off, and also for his own curiosity. How much does it cost to run a 75-watt bulb overnight? He also wants an app that can hook up to his smart devices in his house so he can turn them on and off. So we map Rich's journey, starting on the internet where he searches for an energy conservation product and finds ours, navigates our corporate website, downloads a free version of our product, and then downloads the paid version of our product and tries it. At each step, we pretend to be Rich and establish the pain points that he encounters. So pretending to be Rich, we find our product on the internet, doesn't say if it's free, so that's a little confusing. So in this particular step, we say his happiness is confused. There's various states that you can specify for a customer's happiness. And then we come up with ideas on how to make the interaction better. In this case, add the word free to the product tagline. This creation of ideas and customer journey maps is often done in brainstorming sessions in person or virtually, with subject matter experts present, where the map is plotted with stickies on the wall, if done in person, and then captured in a tool like System Architect. For example, the U.S. government shows a picture of a brainstorming session they had when building a customer journey map for digital.gov. Again, you can view this on the link provided below. As our persona Rich navigates to the channel of our corporate website, he is dissatisfied. He encounters some pain points, including not being able to find the download software button, and the chatbot demands attention. And so we have some ideas to make that better. Make the chatbot optional and put the product download button at the top of the page. But we also take a deeper look at the systems and software deployed on our website that Rich interacts with. For example, the sales chatbot version 2.3. It's the sales chatbot that he's not happy with. In fact, he's angry. The chatbot demands a response and then also gives him non-informative answers to his questions. So we brainstormed ideas to make it better. Make the chatbot optional on the page, and then also improve the chatbot with ChatGPT technology. We continue to track the steps of Rich's journey and the systems and products and people in the organization that he interacts with. It's the versions of the software and systems and products that we track, because it's the version that has features, including new features and sunset features. So we can see here our Energy U free product is something that Rich loves. He loves the product. But our upgrade to a paid product, he's dissatisfied with. In this case, there's an energy saving game that's boring, and then also controlling the IoT devices is difficult to use. So we have an idea for improving that, a redesigned dashboard for controlling IoT devices. He's also dissatisfied with the salesperson he encountered, who pressured him into upgrading to the paid product but didn't offer any help with installation. Didn't even ask him if he installed the product. So that's a lot of information that we've captured, and we can show that all visually by running analytics on this customer journey map. You can quickly see where happiness lies, where confusion lies, where dissatisfaction lies, where angriness lies, and other places where we're not sure yet. Now, those analytics come out of the box with the customer journey map, and System Architect users know you can create your own analytic at any time through the analytic wizard in the heat map manager. Once you do, the analytic and its report become available to you in the repository. You can find them in the Explorer tree. So for this case, let's take a look at Customer Loves Interaction, this analytic. It's a report-based analytic versus a VBA macro-based analytic. And here's the report that runs to find information. And in this case, it's finding any definition of those types where the happiness of the customer is set to great. And when that condition is found, we put an icon at the bottom center outside of size 60 pixels. And so you can change that if you want to, but this is what comes out of the box for the customer journey map. Now let's take a look at Rich's interaction with our seller, which wasn't the best. We see a parent-child indicator on this customer journey step, meaning that we have a decomposition here. We have two business processes, an as-is and a to-be. Let's open up the as-is process. This is the business process of leads coming in and the seller getting back to those folks. And this is the issue here. We can run analytics on BPMN business process diagrams as well. And we can see there's an issue here where we're emailing the customer with the pricing before even asking if the customer has been able to install the product. We've already created a to-be process that fixes that. Let's go over to that to-be process. And we see we run analytics here already, and everything is green and happy, where the seller is asking the user, or Rich in this case, if he's been able to install the product. If not, he gets swung over to tech support. You can also see customer-facing processes based on the running of an analytic. Now let's take a look at those ideas. We can open up an idea hierarchy diagram. In the idea hierarchy diagram, we can slice and dice ideas. We can look at a subset of the ideas automatically provided by running a report against tags. We can figure out which are good ideas and which are great ideas and which are no-brainers. And we can use System Architect's plug-and-play technology to categorize the ideas. So the first thing I'll do is these new ideas here, I'll put them into a rectangular shape. And then we'll take a look at these. Improving the chatbot with ChatGPT technology, well, that's an innovative idea. We plug and play that underneath the innovative ideas category. Adding the word free to the product tagline, that's a great idea. So we'll plug and play that in. And then also make the chatbot optional, another great idea. We can start to analyze the ideas. For each idea, we can start tagging it. We can specify similar ideas. We can develop a scorecard of ideas, start ranking the ideas. And of course, for every idea, we already know how it makes the customer journey better. We can use System Architect's reporting system to generate a report dashboard of ideas. Of course, the report is even better served as a personalized dashboard in SAXT, the web sister product to System Architect. So here we see an ideas scorecard for our energy product, and we can take a look at various charts and slice and dice on those ideas. Let's take a look at how difficult the idea is to implement, and we can get different types of charts, bubble charts, pie charts, etc. One final thing, let's take a look at roadmaps. We'll open up the future state customer journey map for Rich. Where we've already run analytics to show improvements to his customer journey. We see we have a new version of our paid product, Energy Home Dash 2.0, that we feel Rich is going to like. It has new features, a new home dashboard too. We can drill on this. We see we have a parent-child indicator, and take a look at the roadmap for that new version of the product, when it's going to be designed, vetted, built, test, and EGA'd. Further, it looks like we have a new chatbot, 2.4. We're not sure if Rich is going to like this, so this is a question mark, but we can drill on this. Take a look at the roadmap for the new sales chatbot, when it's going to be designed, built, test, and deployed. We also have some changes to the website, changing the location of the download button, making the chatbot optional, etc. And in this case, we're tracking projects and work packages for that work. So we're building a roadmap into the future based on the ideas that we've come up with, and our product teams have approved these ideas and are building changes to our organization to make Rich's customer journey better. So those are customer journey maps. You can also tie customer journey maps to value streams and value stages of value streams. And we'll cover that in another video. Value streams are where you're looking at this from the viewpoint of your organization and the value that it provides at different stages. We also have a blue book on customer journey maps and value streams. We'll put a link to that in the comments to this video. And thank you for watching.